Okay, hi girls. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the guitar solo for Heartbreak Hotel. At least we're playing it in the key of A major. So if you're playing along with the original song, which is in E major, it will sound a little bit differently. But the way that we're learning it here at Cerdon is in the key of A major. So this solo is going to work well with the A, D, and E chord that you've already learned. So on the screen here, you see a system that we use for notating music. So we use crotchets and quavers, but there's another way as well that we can use to notate musical notation that's used on string instruments like the guitar. And this system is called tablature. And you know that it's called tablature because on the side here they put TAB to represent tablature. And what it shows you is two main things. The first one is the 6 different strings. So you've got like the lowest string there, and it's like a ladder lower, so that's a 6th string, 5th string, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st. Or on the guitar, this one here is the 6th string, which happens to be this one here, and this one here, where these other numbers are, is the 1st string. So what this tablature is telling us is that we need to learn to play something on that 1st string. And in fact, the whole guitar solo is only using the 1st string until it gets to this last bar over here where it's using the 1st string and the 2nd string together. So, unlike a guitar chord where you strum all of the strings, when you're using tablature, the number tells you that you press just one string, unless there's two numbers like over here, in which case you press 2 strings, or sometimes you might find that there's 3 or 4 or 5 or even 6 strings that you have to play together. But for our purposes, we need to start on the 5th, that's what the number represents, the 5th fret of the guitar. So if we go on the 1st string, which is this one here, and we go to the 5th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what this tells us is that we've got to play 5, 5, 5, 5. So we've actually got to play that note 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. This little number 3 here represents that these are in a group of 3, but don't worry about that too much at the moment. What we need to know though is that we're on the 1st string and we've got to go 5, 5, 5, 5. So it sounds like this: 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Then there's a 0. 0 means that you don't press anything, but you still have to play the string. So you go 5, 5, 5, 5, 0. So you let go and you just play the string. 5, 5, 5, 5, 0. Then it goes 3, 5. So we go like this: 5, 5, 5, 5, 0, 3, 5. And it just so happens you can play it with one finger, but what works better is to maybe put your 3rd finger here and go like this, and then use your 1st finger there. So the beginning part of this solo, 5, 5, 5, 5, 0, 3, 5. And then the 2nd bar does everything the same as this part, but it leaves out this 5 here. So it goes 5, 5, 5, 5, 0, 3. Right, so the first one goes 5, 5, 5, 5, 0, 3, 5. The second one, 5, 5, 5, 5, 0, 3. The third one, the 3rd bar, is exactly the same as the 1st bar. So you go again, 5, 5, 5, 5, 0, 3, 5. And then finally, it's a little bit of a tricky one here. You're actually playing 2 strings, the 1st string and the 2nd string together, and you're pressing 5 and 5 at the same time. It doesn't tell you how to press them, so you can use one finger like this, or you can use 2 fingers or that. It doesn't really matter, whatever's comfortable. But I'm just going to use my 3rd finger because I've got it there, and the 2nd finger on top for the moment. So it says 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3 notes each. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, like this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So this is what the whole solo sounds like. Like that. And that's the guitar solo that you hear in Heartbreak Hotel. Now we're going to add a little advanced technique to it. So where you've got this group of 3 here, what we're going to do is that we're going to slide up to the very first one of each group. So we're going to do like a slide to those 2 5s there, and another slide here, and another slide here, and another slide here. To do the slide, we're going to go, instead of on fret number 5 where we end up, we're going to go to number 4 and slide like that. So it sounds like this. And it makes it sound rocky and bluesy. So the solo sounds like this. And then with some slides. So what I want you to do is have a go at learning the Heartbreak Hotel solo. Right at the end of that, so once you've done that, this replaces the first 4 bars of the song as we've been playing it, which is where the A chord is. Well, since my baby left me, it replaces all of that part, and it comes into where the D chord is. So once you've done the solo, then when you get to this point here, you go straight to the D chord. So it goes like this from the beginning. Oops, sorry, I've just added a slide. You can also add a little slide to the beginning of each one of these if you like as well. It gives it a bit more of an effect. So. And now all the slides on the 2 together. And we're going to go to the D chord. 8 D chords, followed by the 4 E chords, and then the A chord, and then the song starts again. Have a go at learning the solo. Come and show us what you've learnt, and if you've got any questions, come and ask any of the music teachers. Good luck!